Hello everyone, this is Chaitali Chatterjee from We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave. Welcome today, and today is our first episode of Entrepreneurs की बातें अल्पा के साथ. और आज हमारे साथ गेस्ट आए हैं चांदनी मोदी, हु इज फाउंडर ऑफ मैजेस्टिक इंटीरियर्स. और हमारे साथ है अल्पा जी, अल्पा शाह मैम. She is founder of Empower Education, and she's chairperson of Women Entrepreneurs Development Cell of MSMEs and Startup Forum Maharashtra. Thank you. I would over to you, ma'am, and let's start our first episode.
Thank you, Chaitali, and welcome Chandni from Majestic Interiors. Well, Chandni is very dear to me because she's first generation entrepreneur
Yeah, correct, ma'am.
and so young. I really feel that our country's future is in safe hands when more and more such young women entrepreneurs are joining businesses. So, welcome, Chandni.
Thank you, thank you. It's a pleasure to have you.
Chandni, I would like to know, and my viewers also would love to hear, what is your life story? What made you become entrepreneur and that too in interiors? I mean, let me tell you, Chandni makes beautiful row houses, bungalows, even commercial, residential, office. I have seen her work and I'm super impressed with that. Chandni, can you share your life story?
Definitely. Thank you so much for the lovely introduction, first of all. I would like to say my name is Chani. I am first generation for this business, interior designer. So, how I became an interior designer is also like a dream for me because when I was in standard 8, my house was getting renovated. That time, I was so keen when the workers were working and they were designing our furnitures, the bedrooms and hall, the kitchen. So I was so keen on the details that what they were doing. So my father told me, I will make you interior designer. From standard 8, it was in my mind, when will I finish my studies and then I have to pursue my interior designing. So that is how I started. So from standard 10th, as soon as I completed my SSC, so I was like, I want to look for the best college that I can work, matlab, study. So I did degree in interior designer post that, and after that, what happened? I belong to a businessman family. So my father told, "Abhi तो आपकी पढ़ाई हो गई interior designer की, now you have a degree, you can start your own business." I told no, Papa. What I feel in this profession, experience is matters most. So he was like, "Why? You can do it." I still know. This is what you know. He respected my decision. I worked in a top firm like Talati Pantaki.
Wow.
They are one of the best in our industries.
Yes.
So what they do work with all high-end clients like Ambani's and all.
Yeah.
So I got very good experience. I worked with them for 5 years, and then after that I gained a lot of experience, and then I started my own business. From past 7 years, we are doing projects in all kind of fields like residential, commercial, bungalows, row houses, villas, restaurants, a spa, many more.
Well, Chandni, don't you think that she is a very, very charismatic, beautiful, and positive vibes entrepreneur? And I think what she meant here is that the relationship with your parents, the communication which you do, I think that really helps. And she is not just lucky in having very strong father support, but I know her husband Rahul also. You are blessed.
Absolutely.
But
I'm
at this,
completely grateful for that.
yes. And she is a young mother also. Imagine. Can you guess that she is a mother too? She looks like a college going girl. How glamorous houses she makes. She's much more glamorous than that.
Thank you so
So,
much.
Chandni, you really will inspire many of our viewers, including me. How you carry yourself, how you present yourself, and that shows you are a stylish person. And obviously, somebody who is so approachable, humble, and good at her work and presenting herself. The future is very bright, I'm sure.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Chandi, anything else would you like to say to all our viewers that how you are impacting the society what is in your mind? How you're going to grow your business? What are those few things which is extremely important for any entrepreneur, not just interior designing, but any business, any entrepreneur, what they should do so that they can excel and grow multifold?
Okay, so what we do basically in our business, we focus only on quality work. If you deliver quality work, then you will get loyal customers. If you get loyal customers, you get very huge projects, which will give you a lot of exposure, and it will help you to grow. So also what we are doing focusing on that will help society is we are providing jobs to our laborers that are helping them to earn wages, daily wages, and how they can survive. Also what we are doing, we are helping our mother nature by providing sustainable products that we
Wow.
are using in our industry, in our projects,
Wow.
like the Simon energies. We are using upscaling products, and we are using rescaling, also recycling of the products. So this is how we are helping our environment also to save
Wow.
energies that way.
Isn't that amazing? I mean, at such young age, Chandni is talking about ESG, environmental, social, and even governance kind of a thing. Really commendable, and my all good wishes to her for her future endeavors and projects. Chandni, what's your closing note?
Uh, just believe in yourself and you can reach. Sky's the limit for you guys. Don't look back. Just go move forward. That's it.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Chandni, for joining our show.
Thank you,
Wish you all
ma'am.
the good luck.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for having me.
So I'm a firm believer that anybody, especially the entrepreneurs, if you want to grow, networking, collaborations, partnerships works wonderfully well. And a women can help other women, nobody else in this world the way they can do. Trust me. I myself get almost 60% of my projects and business and brand building from women entrepreneurs and all the collaborations and networking forum I attend. I'm sure Chandni, you also must be doing the same thing. Chandni, what is your experience? How collaborations or networking or attending women enclaves, etc., helps you in prosperity and growing your business?
So I joined Fee like 8 months back, and it's been
Oh,
8 months that I have been attending different events and networking, and also Miss Chetali is helping me promote to different celebrities. She's helping us gain she's helping us in our PR, also PR activities, and she's giving us boost to many viewers, audience apart from our circle, which is helping our business grow.
right.
Also our existing clients are like looking around at the PR activities that she's creating for us, and they are so happy, like, Chani, you have been interviewed here, you have been interviewed there. They're so happy after looking after all this. So we is providing me a lot of exposure to different people. Also there are different people where I connect with and collaboratively working with them. So, and this is helping me grow and get new projects and clients to my business.
Absolutely. So I think, according to you, V is doing a phenomenal job
Absolutely.
as far as brand building is concerned. And
Absolutely.
every entrepreneur like me or Chandni cannot afford or maybe cannot hire a very big PR agency.
Yeah, that's
In
correct.
future, yes, we can. But let me tell you, it works wonderfully well when somebody like Chaitali Chatterjee or V Forum helps all of us. And how would otherwise we
We
wouldn't have
do.
met?
Yeah,
And I think when you attend such forums, you meet different stature people, different field people, and you learn a lot.
yeah,
So
absolutely.
I'm a firm believer that such networking events, such women groups, we should join and we should definitely take the best advantage of, like how Chandni is doing, isn't it? So thank you very much, Chandni, for joining this session with us.
Thank
And
you
I
so
wish
much,
you
ma'am.
all the good luck.
Thank you so much.
तो आपने देखा किस तरह चांदनी मोदी जो इतनी अच्छी तरह से अपनी फैमिली को भी संभाल रही है, बिजनेस भी संभाल रही है, एंड एज शी सेज द स्काई इज द लिमिट. सो इफ यू ऑल अगेन वांट to be with us, you want to get promoted, or you want to be seen, or you want to be visible, join We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave. And I would like to say thanks to Alpa ma'am. She has been a strong supporter of We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Alpa ma'am, and Empower Education for always being with me. Thank you.
Thank you, dear.
I just need from